Understanding timelines and sources of history. Humans have come a long way from their early beginnings. Imagine a time when there were no houses, no cars, and no schools. Our journey started millions of years ago when early humans lived in forests and caves. Over time, they learned new skills, made discoveries, and built civilizations. But how did all of this happen? History is like a time machine that helps us understand the past. It tells us stories about great kings, brave warriors, and incredible inventions. It also explains how humans have evolved, made tools, built cities, and even reached the moon. Without history, we wouldn't know how our ancestors lived or how different cultures developed. From small group of hunter-gatherers to vast empires, humans have constantly adapted to their surroundings. They learned how to farm, trade, and create new technologies. History helps us see how different societies were formed, how people worked together, and how civilizations flourished through time. The study of history is divided into three periods: ancient, medieval, and modern history. Can you guess which one we live in now? Historians are like detectives. They collect information from different sources to piece together stories of the past. These sources help us understand how people lived, what they believed in, and what challenges they faced. Archaeologists dig deep into the earth to find hidden treasures from the past. These objects tell us about ancient cultures, their art, and their way of life. Inscriptions, often found on stone or metal, provide records of laws, events, and even personal letters from ancient rulers. Lucy is one of the most important discoveries in human history. She belonged to a species that walked on two legs, just like us. Her discovery helped scientists understand how early humans evolved and spread across the world. Life was tough for early humans. They had to hunt animals for meat and gather fruits and nuts for survival. They used sharp stones as weapons and wore clothes made from animal hides to protect themselves from the cold. Before fire, humans ate raw food and struggled to stay warm. Fire not only helped them cook meals but also kept dangerous animals away. It also provided light at night, making life much safer and easier. Cave paintings are like ancient storybooks. Early humans used natural colors to draw animals, hunting scenes, and daily life on rock walls. These paintings help us understand how they lived and what they found important. Instead of moving around for food, humans started growing crops and living in one place. This led to the formation of villages and communities. With a steady food supply, people had more time to develop new skills and build stronger societies. Animals play a huge role in human life. Cows, goats, and sheep provided milk and meat, while horses and donkeys helped in transportation. Dogs, being loyal companions, helped humans hunt and protect their homes. Can you imagine a world without wheels? The wheel made it easier to travel, carry heavy loads, and even create pottery. This invention led to the development of carts, wagons, and eventually modern vehicles. With the discovery of metals, humans created better tools and weapons. Iron was used to make swords and plows, while copper was shaped into jewelry and utensils. This marked the beginning of the Bronze and Iron Ages. Before money existed, people exchanged goods directly. A farmer might trade wheat for a pot, or a blacksmith might exchange tools for meat. This barter system helped different communities interact and grow economically. History connects the past, present, and future. By learning about the achievements and struggles of our ancestors, we can appreciate our journey and work towards a brighter tomorrow.